Welcome to the Learning English channel. Daily English conversation. Small talk. Travel. Memorable destinations.
Hey Ivan, I was reminiscing about our past travels. What's the most memorable travel destination you've ever visited?
Oh, that's a tough one, but I'd have to say Kyoto, Japan. The blend of tradition and modernity was unforgettable. How about you?
I have to agree, Kyoto was incredible. For me, though, it's Iceland. Those dramatic landscapes and the northern lights left me in awe.
Iceland is on my list. So, how do you usually plan your trips? Do you prefer spontaneous travel or well-organized itineraries?
I'm all about well-organized plans. I research extensively and create detailed itineraries. How about you, Ivan?
I'm more of a spontaneous traveler. I like having a general idea of what to do but leaving room for surprises. It's the best of both worlds.
Culture shock and transportation.
Ivan, speaking of travel, have you ever experienced culture shock while traveling? If so, where and how did you handle it?
Definitely. The first time was in India. The vibrant chaos was overwhelming, but I embraced it and learned so much. How about you?
My culture shock moment was in Morocco. The markets, language, and customs were so different, but I tried to adapt and engage with the locals.
That's brave. By the way, what's your favorite mode of transportation when you travel?
I love the convenience of planes, but trains offer a unique journey. You?
I'm a fan of road trips. Nothing beats the freedom of exploring by car.
Travel bucket list.
Ivan, are there any countries or cities on your travel bucket list that you haven't been to yet?
Oh, absolutely. I've always wanted to visit Machu Picchu in Peru and the Galapagos Islands. And you?
Japan's Hokkaido region and New Zealand's South Island are on my list. So, tell me, what's the most adventurous activity or experience you've had while traveling?
Whitewater rafting in Costa Rica was a thrilling experience. How about you, Joey?
Paragliding in the Swiss Alps was an adrenaline rush I'll never forget.
I hope to check off Machu Picchu and the Galapagos Islands from my bucket list soon.
Food and packing essentials.
Ivan, how do you adapt to different cuisines and food habits when you travel to new places?
I'm an adventurous eater, so I try everything. Street food is often the most authentic. What about you?
I'm a bit cautious, but I do try local dishes. I always pack some snacks just in case. Speaking of packing, what are some essential items you always pack in your travel bag?
My camera, power bank, and a good book are must-haves. Plus, a first aid kit and a reusable water bottle. How about you?
Similar essentials, plus a universal adapter and a journal to document the journey.
And of course, a taste for local flavors in my back pocket to savor the culinary delights of each destination.
Solo travel and unexpected encounters.
Ivan, have you ever traveled solo? If not, would you consider it, and where would you go?
I haven't yet, but I'd love to try it. Solo hiking in the Swiss Alps sounds amazing. How about you?
I've done it once, exploring Barcelona. It was liberating. Finally, share a travel story where you met interesting or unexpected people during your journey.
In Vietnam, I met a local fisherman who invited me to his home for a meal. We couldn't speak the same language, but the hospitality was incredible.
That's wonderful. In Prague, I met a group of fellow travelers, and we ended up spending the entire trip together. It turned strangers into lifelong friends.
It's amazing how travel can bring people from different backgrounds together, creating lasting memories and connections. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the subscribe button, give it a like, share it with your friends, and leave a comment below. I would really appreciate it.